Okay, number 9, the reading. A ladder is leaning against the side of a building. Okay, the ladder is 10 meters long, and the angle between the ladder and the building is 18 degrees. How far up the building does the ladder reach? You're going to have to draw in a right triangle, okay, and determine these 3 sides. What would be from the reading? Where would I put the information from the reading? Where would I put it on the triangle? Well, the building is always perpendicular to the ground, so this can be our building. Okay, this has to be the ladder. Okay, and the ladder and the building form an 18-degree angle. Right there's my acute angle. Now, let's go ahead and name the sides. Well, here's my 90. This is hypotenuse. Okay, from the acute angle, remember the 2 sides that form the acute angle, one is hypotenuse, one is adjacent, and the side opposite the acute angle is OPP. Now, what 2 sides do we use? Well, we're told that the ladder is 10 meters long, so I know the hypotenuse is 10, and what are we trying to find? How far up the building does the ladder touch the building? This is X. Okay, I need you to determine your trig function now, and what 2 sides do we want to use? Adjacent and hypotenuse. Those are the 2 sides because we have to find X, and we're given 10. Finish that.